Good afternoon. It's yours truly, Greg Scott, founder and CEO of Financial Fit Club Incorporated, your #1 rated credit repair company in the Hampton Roads area, with your credit tip of the day. Now, the #1 way to increase your credit score in less than 30 days is by adding Tradelines or Authorize users to your credit report. Now, what that is essentially is borrowing a credit card account from someone else's credit report without actually getting access to the credit card or the line of credit. So you can actually add years of on-time payments and a credit card balance to your credit report, which in turn will lower your credit utilization rate and add payment history and years of on-time payments to your credit report, which then skyrockets your credit score. It is the #1 way to boost your credit score in under 30 days. Have questions about your credit? Click the link in the bio or the body of this post. Schedule a free consultation with us. And remember, get financially fit. Your legacy depends on it. Thank you.